Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm gonna be testing out the beta software from Protuning Freaks BM3 Bootmod software, where you can be able to flash directly from the Ethernet cable directly to your iPhone. So let's get to it. All right, everyone. So in order to complete this test, what you're gonna need is, of course, an iPhone, which you see right here. You're gonna also need an Ethernet cable, so that's gonna be right here, the OBD to Ethernet, and then you're also gonna need a cord like this. So I'll be linking one down in the description below. So this is gonna connect your Ethernet directly to a lightning port, so you can plug it directly into your phone. And this is what the beta software that Bootmod just released, Protuning Freaks just released, that's going to allow you to flash directly on your phone. So if you saw my other video when I did the GTS flash, you had to hook up the Wi-Fi module in order to flash with your phone, but now you should be able to hook it up directly using this plug. So we're going to test that out in this video today to make sure that everything works on the beta software. So one of the first things you want to do is go ahead and plug in your Ethernet cable. So this is the cable right here. This is the OBD port. It's going to go right into your OBD, which is right underneath there, which you see right there. I got my VP adapter in there, so we'll go ahead and install that now. All right, now that this cable is installed, you want to grab this RJ45 end of the cable and plug that into this adapter right here. So plug it into your Ethernet to lightning port adapter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right here. All right, so now that it's plugged in, and now on the other end of this cord, if it will come into, there you go. Now on the other end of this cord, you have your lightning port, which is right here. So that's what's gonna go into your phone. So now let's go ahead and go to my phone right now and get this thing going. All right, so one thing you wanna do before you're able to use the beta software is what you need to do is go to the Bootmod's Instagram page. You can also get from there on their website, but go to their Instagram page here, as you see right here on the screen, and then you should be able to see a link, a hyperlink right here that says testflight.apple.com join. So you'll click on that. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see this page here that says step 1, get test flight. So you click on view in the app store and download test flight on your phone. Second, it says join the beta. So then you hit start testing, and then it'll open the app. It'll open the interface where you can go through and start opening the beta software and beta testing software. So if I hit start testing now, it's gonna go to this test flight Bootmod3, and then you hit accept to start beta testing. And then once you do that, you hit open, and then it's gonna take you to the regular BM3 software homepage here. So this should be very familiar to anyone that's used BM3, and then you'll just go through and do your regular stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, so I went ahead and signed into the BM3 app, and as you can see right here on the screen, it says OBD connected. And if it goes over here, it pulls up all your software and all your information here. So now let's go back to the menu. So let's go to my maps, and it shows all the maps that I have, which is the Stage 0 Plus M4 GTS tune, stock tune, and all that. So let's do something very simple. Let's just do the transmission tune. So I always want to do the GTS transmission tune. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna do the GTS transmission flash. So I'm gonna click on that and then hit flash GTS. And then it's telling you about the battery charger and highly recommended. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my door's closed. Also want to make sure you plug in your seat belt. And let's go ahead and get the flashing. So now I'm gonna hit flash. So now I'll be back with you once the flash is complete. All right, so that took about maybe a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. But as you can see right here, it says success, modified DCT flash successfully. So the transmission tune has been completed. So we'll hit OK, and now we are good to go. So we have the GTS transmission tune on the car. So that's pretty cool, man. So it looks like everything works fine. Looks like everything works good. The plug works good. The beta's working good right now. And you can flash directly from your Ethernet port in your car using these supplied cords and right to your phone, man. So that is pretty cool, man. Shout out to Bootmod for getting that done, man. I know a lot of people have requested it, and they got to it. They got done. They listened to their customers and they took care of it, man. So that's pretty tight right there. So now let's go ahead and take the car for a little drive so we can test out this trans tune, and let's see how it reacts to everything. All right. All right, everyone, so now you see I'm in the car. I got the GTS transmission tune flashed on the car. I'm just driving moderately right now, and everything feels stock. Everything feels like the stock transmission right now, driving just moderately. I'm gonna get on it just a little bit now. I am in just regular sport mode across the board, so we're gonna see how the GTS transmission tune from Bootmod responds right now. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to punch it. I got the transmission setting in 2. So for those that don't know, there's level 1, 2, and 3. So I have it right now set in 2. And I mean, it feels, to be honest, I mean, it shifts. It feels like it does grab, like you feel a little bit more force, but the speed feels about the same in 2. Maybe when I go to 3, I'll be able to see a little bit more speed difference. I mean, this transmission already shifted super fast already. So, you know, even if you get a little bit of improvement, that's impressive just from just a off-the-shelf transmission tune. All right, so now what I'm going to do is put the car in Sport Plus, put the shift level at 3. I'm going to let the car do the shifting so I can focus on the road, and I'm going to see if I can tell a difference between the regular stock valve and the Bootmod GTS transmission tune. All right, I'm about to punch it again. Definitely holding the gears a lot longer. All right, y'all, so my final impressions on the GTS tune, it's more aggressive. Is it like a night and day difference of aggressiveness? I can't say that. You probably will notice the biggest difference if you like took it to a track and compare the times, which I might do. You never know, I might do. But I would say just regular driving around town, you're not going to notice that big of a difference. But just really when you're punching it and giving it the full beans, going full out, you can definitely notice the difference then. So that's going to be the biggest difference, is when you're actually really punching it and really pushing it, is when you're really going to notice the bigger difference with the GTS tune. So that's gonna be today's video. Again, shout out to Bootmod for definitely getting that beta up and letting us test it, man. Everything worked good with it when I did the flash. Yeah, man, so definitely keep it flash to your phone. Hopefully when they get it out of beta, everyone can start trying it and you can get the results on your own, man. So that's what's up, man. So as always, please like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think of it, and I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.